We're going to do Bakasana without weight bearing. Weight bearing is here, okay? So, supine Bakasana, what is that? That's like easy, lazy man Bakasana. Yeah. We're here. And see if you can crunch up into a little ball. Get your legs high up towards the armpit and try to push the heel of your hands forward in line with your shoulders. Now look at your hands. And I want, okay, so now I see a lot of shapes. You're not just chilling here. You're gonna lift up your tailbone, crunch it up. Drop your heels down towards your glutes. So you wanna get really compact in here, okay? Arms are straight. Try to hike up those knees. You're trying to touch the underside, the back side of your upper arms.
Your shoulders down, right?
No, shoulders are lifted. Shoulders are protracting forward, yes.
Are you trying to get your knees in your armpit?
Try to keep the contact, yeah. So you're not pushing out into the inner legs, you're just pushing your hands through. Okay, come back. Let's do another way. Let's do another way. Sit up. Bring your toes to touch. I didn't do no toes. Your toes to touch. And then lift up, balance. Now, here. Good.
Knees by elbows or knees further up?
So try knees behind. Knees on the side. Now, shins. And feel the upper arms pushing back. Okay. Is that?
How wide should your knees be? Exactly as I see.
Okay. We'll stop right there. So